It's me, Amber, back with another Inside the Box review with today's product from National Geographic. Here we have the Volcano Science Kit. This looks cool. Let's see what's inside.
What's in the box?
Each kit comes with a volcano mold and plaster, eruption powder, paints with a paintbrush. You also get a learning guide and 3 real volcanic rock specimens, obsidian arrowhead, pumice, and a geode. All right, it says to cast our volcano using this plaster and mold. Once the volcano is dry, I'm going to paint it with the brush and paints included in the kit. Now it says to add the eruption powder and...
Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
Well, that's all for this time with National Geographic's Volcano Science Kit. Thanks for watching Inside the Box.